What is going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to quickly show you the website I use these days to purchase all my BMW parts. So without further ado, let's hop straight into the website. This is a FCP Euro. Some of you may have heard of it. If not, you're definitely missing out because they do have something called lifetime replacement guaranteed. So what this means, as shown here, even it comes to engine oil and all kinds of oils and fluids, you have to check what falls under the program, but we'll get to that in a second. I'll show you super simply how it works. So let's say you need to change the oil on your car, so you buy 5 liters of oil from them, you use it, right? You keep the old oil. Then when you need to change the oil again, you buy another 5 liters of oil from them, and then you ship the oil, your used oil, back to them, and then they put money back into your account for the 5 liters. So but basically, and then you can keep doing that, which means you're really paying for that initial purchase, and then for all the other oil changes they reimburse you for it. The only caveat is that you pay for shipping, return shipping, which isn't like super cheap for, you know, a bunch of oil, but you still basically get oil at unheard of price by doing this. So I actually am go ahead and do that with the engine oil with you here real time. So so you'll see how this works. Basically, I need an oil, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy it again. This is the oil kit that I use, so I'm gonna buy it again. Free shipping and everything. I do have credit from the previous lifetime replacement that I did, so I'm gonna apply that. And here we go, submit order. All right, order is in. I'm gonna copy this order number. So I'm gonna submit a lifetime guarantee replacement. I'm gonna pick when last time I bought oil, which is here. Okay, so this is a kit, so all of this, everything but the wiper blades. I'm gonna drop warranty lifetime replacement, and I'm gonna put the new order number in here. Accept and continue. There is a form to print. Right now I don't have a printer, so I'm gonna save as PDF for later. That will do. Save. I will print this later and ship them the old oil, so like 7 quarts of oil and all the old crap back to them, and they're gonna credit my account. Simple as that, guys. And then this applies for, you know, pretty much everything. I guess if you want to find out whether the part is eligible for lifetime replacement, you go pick any part, and then you go to warranty, and then right down here it says FCP Euro lifetime replacement guarantee. So you have to make sure. There are some exceptions that you can read up on your own here. For example, like one-time use items like additives, cleaners, shop supplies, that don't fall under this program. And also if you kind of return abuse or do some sketchy stuff, they can catch that, and it's not going to be eligible. But other than that, everything on their website is eligible for this program, which is insane, guys. So hopefully this video is really beneficial to you guys, and if you found it helpful, please do subscribe to the channel, and I will make more useful content like this just for you guys. And as always, I'll see you the next one. Peace.